Arabia is a modern, fast-growing country, and for qualified expats, it can be a truly rewarding place to live and work. Life here is safe, organized, and full of opportunities, especially for qualified professionals like engineers, IT specialists, and finance experts. The major urban centers where most expats live are Riyadh in the central region, Jeddah on the Red Sea coast, and Dammam in the eastern province near the Persian Gulf. These cities offer modern infrastructure, multicultural workplaces, strong salaries, and a high standard of living. For a smooth start, the most important advice is simple: follow the rules. Saudi Arabia is very welcoming to foreigners, but respecting local laws and cultural guidelines ensures a stress-free life. When you first arrive in the kingdom, your priority should be getting settled. Buy a local SIM card right at the airport, then report to your office as instructed. You will likely undergo a routine medical test, again, as part of local regulations. Your next major focus must be securing your Iqama, which is your official Saudi residency card. During this process, better not to travel outside your city, keep your passport safe, and always carry your company card. Once your Iqama is issued, you'll feel a huge sense of relief. It unlocks almost everything: travel within the kingdom, banking, housing, family visas, and more. After receiving your Iqama, you can begin the process of bringing your family. Once approved by the Ministry of Interior, send the authorization to your family back home. They will apply for their visas at the Saudi embassy in the home country, and once the visas are stamped, you can book their flights. With your family on the way, it's time to search for a proper house. Look for a clean, well-maintained apartment or villa close to your workplace, and if you have children, near a reputable school. Before signing the rental agreement, carefully check the condition of the house and make sure all issues are documented and acknowledged by the landlord or building caretaker. This simple step can save you trouble when you eventually move out. Transportation is a key part of life in Saudi Arabia, and the reality is that having a car is not a luxury, it's a necessity. After receiving your Iqama, apply for your Saudi driving license through the Traffic Police Department. When buying a car, you have two solid options. First, you can lease a brand new, Japanese or Korean make recommended car from a bank. This gives reliability and low maintenance, but comes with monthly payments. The second option is buying a slightly used car in excellent condition. Just make sure the annual vehicle inspection is valid and the car has no hidden issues. Whichever option you choose, always get proper insurance. Keep the following documents with you at all times: your Iqama, your Saudi driving license, your vehicle registration, and your insurance card. Keep backups in your car's dashboard and store scanned copies safely on your computer. While driving, strictly follow traffic rules. If an accident happens, stay calm. Call the insurance company and notify the traffic police. Never argue with policemen. Communication may be limited due to language differences, but remaining polite always works in your favor. Finally, prepare your home for your family's arrival. Purchase essential household items such as beds, a refrigerator, washing machine, stove, and a TV to make your new life comfortable and welcoming. My goal in this guide is simple: to help newcomers from the United States transition smoothly into life in Saudi Arabia. With the right preparation and mindset, you and your family can enjoy a safe, prosperous, and fulfilling experience in the kingdom. Welcome to your new chapter, and good luck.